Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, Cardano is still, as it seems, in need of another low. Yeah, price has not really given us any bullish vibes yet. It can turn around at any time, don't get me wrong, but at the moment there is just simply not really any bullish outlook until we see an impulse to the upside and a three-wave pullback. I'm going to show you in this video what I need to see in order to confirm that ADA has bottomed, or at least to get a strong indication. So at the moment, it seems like we're coming down here. We formed the low of a third wave as per the last videos with high volume. At the moment, this seems like an Elliott wave triangle in a wave 4. Explained that in yesterday's video so far. This view seems to be correct because price is forming a higher low and a lower high, and also here a lower high. Now that C wave might still be unfolding, even though we have a complete three-wave structure, but it would look better if it was pushing a little higher. For the C wave, it would be important, if this is going to be an Elliott wave triangle, first of all, to form 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E. It would then break to the opposite side of the E wave. But if this is a triangle, it must stay below the A wave high, so it must stay below 29 cents. Does it mean it is going to go all bullish above 29 cents? No, not really. It could just simply be that this wave 4 is unfolding as a larger ABC structure or WXY structure then. The move up here was not clearly impulsive. Yeah, you can count it as a diagonal, but not as an impulse. Therefore, of course, I cannot rule out that ADA has bottomed here. But due to the failure of making higher highs and higher lows together, I have to expect another low at the moment. The trend just hasn't shifted. Now, I've been asked by people, is there a bullish scenario? Because you simply cannot, without having any evidence about a bullish setup, you cannot just, make up a bullish wave count. Of course, you can always come up with something, right? It's just a question of likelihood, but I cannot show you with a good, with good feeling and confidence that this is a wave 1 and that this is a wave 2 and it would now rally in a third. It's of course possible, okay? But first of all, I would need to see, because then the wave 1 would be a diagonal. If had this been an impulse, fine, yeah? But because it's, let's say, only at best a diagonal structure, which can also be counted as a correction, I have to assume trend continuation to the downside. But of course, if anybody wants to trade this on the long side, it's quite simple, right? You just set your stop below the last swing low, okay? So now that's not a suggestion for you personally to do that, but that is typically a reasonable way of how you could trade this on the long side, because we're very close to the swing low. And if really the bear market low would be in with this low, you have one of the most phenomenal reward to risk ratios ever. But I don't, without evidence, I cannot confirm you that from an analysis point of view. So I need to see 5 waves up and 3 waves down. This here would have to be a third wave now, but it's just not doing it, right? It's not, unless the wave 2 is coming down a little lower. But if that happens, then it would come down a little too low in my opinion. So, okay, so just be aware at this stage. Of course, a bullish breakout is possible, but without seeing these 5 waves above resistance of 30.4 cents, better above 38.5 cents, and a subsequent 3-wave pullback, which could then be the next trade setup, yeah? 5 waves up, 3 waves down, pullback area I'm going to define, and then take off, okay? But without having the 5 up, I haven't got a strong piece of evidence to say, okay, ADA has bottomed. Hope that's clear. Of course, the potential is there. The potential is always there. But just we need to see something, yeah? It's always based on evidence. At the moment, it seems to be following a wave 4 triangle nicely. If it breaks above 29 cents, we have 30.4 cent resistance. And then we have 38.5 cents as resistance. So my first view, if it breaks above 29 cents, it's okay, it's not a triangle, but the wave 4 might just unfold as a WXY structure, get a larger wave 4. And if it breaks and sustains above 30.4 cents, yeah, then we can track the direct bullish count with a little bit more confidence. But I still need to see 5 waves up and 3 waves down. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.